Want to make someone's day brighter? Here are 10 simple ways to bring a smile to anyone's face. 1. Compliment them. A simple, "You look great today," can work wonders. 2. Share a funny joke or meme. Laughter is the best medicine. Here's a funny joke. Why don't skeletons fight each other? Because they don't have the guts. 3. Write a thoughtful note. Leave it somewhere unexpected for a delightful surprise. You could write something like, "You are amazing." 4. Surprise them with a small gift. Something like a favorite snack or flowers will do the trick. 5. Offer a helping hand. Help them out with a task or chore. Actions speak louder than words. 6. Reminisce about a happy memory you've shared. It's a guaranteed way to bring back smiles. 7. Be playful or silly. A funny dance or goofy face can break the ice. 8. Show genuine interest in their day. Ask about their day and really listen. Being heard makes people feel valued. 9. Send an encouraging message. Send a positive text or note. A few kind words can go a long way. You could say something like, "You're doing great, keep it up." 10. Smile at them first. Smiles are contagious and can light up a room. Making someone smile is easy, and it makes you feel great too. Which of these will you try today?